Here we come to the elevator at McClelland Park at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This appears to be installed in the early 2000s and has EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures. Let's start by going up. And it's here. Let's get our cab view real fast. Very quiet fan. And this also is an epic motor too. GAL interlock. I believe that's a GAL interlock. And we're gonna go up the shaft. If you get up the shaft, let's go up to 4. And here we go up. Let's listen to the motor. This might have a micro switch floor selector. Let's ring the bell. And we'll go down to 1. Capacity 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. Very nice cab. Installed in the early 2000s. Got EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures with white LEDs, ADA compliant phone built to the car station, yep, and then that's your service cabinet, and here we're on 1. We'll take one more ride and listen to the motor. And someone's using the elevator, so let's see where it goes. And here we are on 1. Button goes out. Going up. Here it goes. Here's the indicator. It looks like it's going to be heading down now. And now it's a little bit busy in the lobby, but it's a very nice lobby. This is the lobby. Imogen Johnson Maryland lobby. Here's the plaque. When was this built? 2008. So this is a late 2000 install. So anyways, we'll end it here on the plaque. So that's it.